Can we talk about Ethiopian food? It's so delicious. Like, I have never eaten so much nice meat before. Cow meat, goat meat. There's no fast food here. Most people in the rural areas, they grow their own food, or you don't see plastic waste anywhere. Because there's no plastic. There's no need to wrap your fresh fruits and fresh vegetables and fresh meat. I love that. Talking of fresh food, let's talk about Ethiopians eating raw meat. Yes, RAW, fresh meat, uncooked. They have like whole half cows hanging in their restaurants. And when you want to eat fresh meat, which they do, they go and cut it for you. Like, I don't know. I mean, I never expected this. I heard rumors, but I couldn't believe it until I got here. Can you imagine, like, in Nigeria to, like, kill a cow and take a slice and take a bite? Uncooked? I never heard of this. I've never seen anything like this before. But, of course, me being me, I tasted it. And the one I tasted was a little bit spiced, which made it actually quite nice. It was only a bit difficult to chew because like raw meat is like chewing gum if you get the bigger pieces. So there was two types I tried. One was really like small, tiny giri meat, cut with some spices, herbs. The other one was really cubes, like bigger cubes, with a sauce, spicy sauce. And those cubes were hard to chew for me. I mean, being in the public in a restaurant and you're not able to like I need these teeth to bite it off. But I managed. I swallowed it like fufu, I guess, and it went down and I survived. So I tried it, but still, I just find that so strange. Especially like with, flies around the meat and all these things. I do have some hygienical concerns. What else can I tell you about Ethiopia? I never wanted to come here. Never planned to come here. Really never ever. If not for work, I think I would have died without having traveled to Ethiopia. I mean, except for the transfers I usually do at the airport. But I'm so glad I did. This country is amazing. Like, so beautiful. I don't even know where to start. The landscape is amazing. The people are so friendly, so kind, so funny. It's like a lighter version of Nigerians. Less loud, less aggressive. And I don't mean physical, but like spiritual, more calm, more centered. Everywhere smells great. I mean, it just... I can't describe it. Like they used to smoke this, I don't know what you call it, incense, I guess. The thing they smoke in church sometimes. To chase away the flies actually while they're eating, which is a great thing to do because the flies don't like the smoke, so they disappear. But it also brings a nice smell. They have a lot of flowers and trees that smell. They don't have all these locked and blocked gutters, so it's just really nice. The air is fresh. I mean, they do have a lot of cars in Addis, but as soon as you go out, you're in like green garden heaven. If it's not a drought. I mean, 2 years ago, Ethiopians really suffered from drought. A lot of cattle and people died of it, so let's put that into parentheses. If there's rain, this country is green as... The best part about being in Ethiopia, you don't sweat a minute. Like, I'm in a hotel room, there's no AC. And the AC is not needed because it's not hot. I think it's around, 23 degrees, maybe 25 highest in the daytime and chilly in the night. Can you imagine? Like, I've been sweating since September every day, every night, every minute. And then you suddenly land somewhere and you don't sweat anymore. Like, Even if I forgot to bring my deodorant, nobody would have noticed because I don't think I've sweated since I'm here. Sorry, I'll go back to sweating very soon. Let me enjoy for now. And then another thing I need to talk about. Internet for 1 week, unlimited, is like $1 something. Unlimited internet. Do you know how much money we spend for internet every week in Nigeria? Light? Ethiopia is exporting electricity to Kenya and I think Zambia. Like you see the light poles going out. Huh? These people have good life here. But of course, I can't wait to go back to Nigeria. Not only do I miss like Ezenwa and my kids like crazy, but also the crazy fun, the madness, you know, you get used to it. Everything is loud, everything is fun, everything is moving, nothing is ever boring. The challenges life throws at you in Nigeria are so unique. I mean, you feel bored if you don't have them outside. So yeah, I love Ethiopia. I love Ethiopians. I love their food. I love the comfort. But I'm looking forward to go back.